Hello, dear followers, dear students. So now, as you know, I am Benjamin Mathematics. Yes, I am a teacher who try to teach you online. Yes. So now a platform where we are just dealing with mathematics. Yes. I just created this because there are some people who have asked me how we should just share a different contents concerning with mathematics. Yes. So now let's do this question here. Yes, so that for everyone, don't miss. Yes, don't miss about these questions. These are very special to everyone, so that everyone should require or should gain more things relating to this mathematics. Right? So now, apart from those, I am going just to do this equation. You see what have we given, right? We have given this is a point A and point B, where we have asked to find it is the sub-equation A. Find the gradient also means in mathematics gradient is similar as slope, right? So the secondly, we have how to find the equation of line. Yes, we have to find the equation of line from our gradient. The last one, it will be to integrate that line. If you just finish to get this line, we have to evaluate it by integrating. So now you have to follow step by step how we are going to do this equation. Now this is a solution. This is a solution. The first one, we have asked to find the gradient. It depends on the points that you have given, right? So now we have given the point A, it is 2, 4, and point B, which is 5 and 6. Are you together here? So we have also asked, we have some question A where we have a gradient. How is the gradient? It's formula, general formula of finding gradient. So when we are just finding the gradient as the slope, it will be in mathematics. It is you have to apply y2 minus y1 over this is x2 minus x1. Are we together? So now in our given points, you see I've given 2 points. Where should we find y1? Yes. Yeah. y2 or x1 and x2. So the first point, it is where we have to find x1 and y1. This is x1, this is y1. So secondly, point B, it is a place where we will find the x2 and y2. This is x2 and y2. Right? So now we are going to use these 2 points. Yes, in our formula here, finally we should get a gradient. Understand? Thank you very much. So now it is our gradient should be, this is y2, it is this 6. It is y2, 6 minus, how is y1? How is y1? It is 4. Right? Over how is x2? X2 is equal to 5. Right? Minus how is x1 is equal to 2. Now, yes, to this 2. Then finally, our gradient, it will be 6 minus 4 remaining with 2. Right? Over 3 minus 2 remaining with, 5 minus 2 remaining with 3. You see, our gradient, we just found the fraction 1. So it means it is 2 over 3. This is our gradient. Right? That was the first sub-equation A, which it was we have asked to find the gradient also. This is our sub-equation A that we have asked. Yes, gradient is equal to this number 2 over 3. Now let's come to the sub-equation B. So question B, you see there on the chalkboard, we have asked to find the equation of line. How is the equation of line will be? Yes? Just we are going to use a formula which implies the equation of line. So allow me please to clean this. Yes, you see, we have just made a summary about the points. Let's clean these ones. Let's clean these ones. You have to remember some questions that we have asked to find. Right? So, secondly, we have asked to find. It was, who can remind us? Yes, it was B. Some question B. It was equation of line. Yes, it was this one. Equation of line. Right? So, general form of equation line, as I told you last time, it should be this that I'm going to tell you. So, instead of writing solutions, this is a solution as you have written, then we talk about. So, now the equation of line, let me use this is line which implies equation of line. Right? So, the equation of line, it should be y, this is y, is a constant one. We don't need to substitute this y minus y1. Yes, we substitute this will be gradient that you have seen times it is open bracket. X is also constant similar to this one. We don't need to substitute this y and this x. They are both constant variables. Minus x x1. Close the bracket. So this is an equation or a formula which implies the equation of line. So now our equation of line, it should be y minus y1. What is y1? So we come back to our points where we have given 2 points, as I told you at the beginning. Yes? So now where should we find this y1? Right? y1 will be the points from point 1. We don't need the one from point B because, yes, we have used them by finding the gradient. So now at this step, we are going to use only this point 1. So y1 is equal to 4. This is 4. Equal, this is m, it is a gradient, right? So how is the gradient? We have seen it placed here. We have 2 over 3, open bracket. X, it is a constant, as this y is a constant also. Minus, here we have x1. How is the x1? Yes, we come to this point 1, where we have x1, right? This is 2 to this number, close the bracket. So, now at this step, we are going to multiply this gradient into this factor form. So now our line, it should be y minus 4. It is what we have here, which is equal. We take this number, it is a fraction 1 times to this x, yes, and it will come to multiply to this minus 2. Then we remain with 2 over 3x, right, minus 2 over 3 times to this minus 2, remaining with minus 4 over 3. It is minus, this minus 4 over 3. So now finally we are going to see like thumbs. Yeah, then we have to collect like thumbs together. Yes, you see this number similar to this one, even if this is a fraction. Yes, they are similar. Why? Because they don't have a variable and known variable. It means they are similar numbers. We should add them, we should subtract them, we should divide them and get a real number. Yes, exact number. But from this one, you can't combine this and this one. Because here this is exact number, but this one, we have a number with a variable, with an unknown. It means you can't join them. So now let's join the similar number. Let like thumbs together. We remain with y as our line. It will be y equal this 2 over 3 x minus 4 over 3. This 4 it is in the first member. It comes from first member to the second member, means the sign that it has in the first member will be changed. Yes? Plus 4. Understand it? So now our line, it should be y, which is, now here we have to find, it is better to find a common denominator, or you should stay at this step. It is almost 2. Yes, this is the final answer, but also you have to find a common denominator and remain with, yes, this is 2. Let me do this one. We have this common denominator, a number which should be divided by 3. This is 3 and this one. It is 3. 3 over 3 remain with 1 times 2 remain with, it is 2x minus 3 over 3 remain with 1. 1 times 4, it is 4. Yes, plus 3 over 1 remain with 3. Yes. 3 times 4 will remain with 12. Yes? So, finally, our equation should be this one, or another way that we should write our equation, or our equation of line, it should be y, which is equal to 2x over 3. Yes? Then here we have a plus, because we have here, you see, we have plus minus, means you have to subtract those numbers and write the sign which is on the biggest number. Biggest number here is 12. Subtract remaining with 8. Yes, 8. Where we have biggest number, there is a positive, it is this one. So now our equation of line is y, which is equal to x. Yes, over 3, excuse me. Yes, it is common denominator that we have done. Over 3 plus 8 over 3. So this is the final equation of line. Are we together here? So now let's make a step number 3. It was about just to find an integral of our line. You see? Also, this is our line where y is equal to x over 3 plus 8 over 3. Yes? Now, as it is our equation of line, we are going to use this equation of line and make its integral. So, it is sub-equation C. Sub-equation C. Now, sub-equation C, it was how to evaluate, find an integral. Yes, evaluate, and take integral of line. You see, our line is equal to what? Line. Then you have to use an integral, symbol of integral. The symbol of integral, you see, it is integral of y dx. Yes, we're going to make an integral of y because it is what we have here respect to this x, right? Because we are respecting to x where we have x in the formula. So now it is integral of, how is the value of y is equal to this one, right? It is 2x over 3 plus 8 over 3 dx. Are you together? It was some questions. So now how should we integrate this fraction? There is many ways, but simply we have to group each term. You see here we have how many terms? We have 2 terms. So we need to group each term and integrate them. Finally, you have to combine those terms. Then you have to find the integral of 2x over 3 dx plus an integral of 8 over 3 dx. Are we together? So now, in order to make this equation very easy, yes, we are going just to take this coefficient and put them here out of this symbol of integral, and this question, it will be very easy. So now it is 2 over 3 an integral of x, yes, dx, right, plus 8 over 3 an integral of dx, right? You see, this complex integral becoming very simple one, right? So now, finally, let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. Now, here we have 2 over 3. I'm just going to integrate this. Yes, an integral of this, as I told you last time. Yes, if you have an integral of x power n dx, yes, general formula here, we have it to apply on this equation. When we are integrating, it will be, it is, here we have n. Are you together? You have please to write, this is x power this n plus 1, because in integral we are increasing the function. Yes, that is why you take n plus 1. The function is increasing. So over this n plus 1, when we are in the finite integral, you have to add constant c, right? So because this integral cannot be defined, you can't know a number, exact number, because you have variables, yes, and only variables. When it is exact number, it is defined. You should get a number. You have to substitute a number. It is when you have given this is A up to B. From B to up to A, you have to substitute those numbers, yes, into our integrated function. We shall see them next time. Now, here we have, this is x, its integral, it will be, it is x power n. What is the power of this x? Power of that x here, when there is not any number like 2, 3, up to infinity, yes, it means here we have a power of 1. You have to put 1 here as our power that we have here, plus 1, the one used in the formula as I have showed it on this equation, yes, over this 1 plus 1, the ones that I have written here, plus this plus 8 over 3, 8 over 3, yes, we are integrating, this is respect to x, right? It means you should take x power 0, because x power 0 is equal to 1, the one that you have here, right? X power 0 is equal to 1, that you have here, plus, because you are integrating, the function will be increasing, plus 1 over 0 plus 1, plus constant c. Are we together? So, now the next, we should have 2 over 3, excuse me, 2 over 3 times this is x power 2 over 2, x 1 plus 1 is equal to power 2 over 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, plus 8 over 3 times x, 0 plus 1 remain with 1 over, excuse me, x power 1 over 1 plus constant c. Now finally, this will be 2x squared over 3 times 2. Yes, you see? And this one plus this 8 times it is 8x over 3 plus constant c. Now, finally, our equation will be this is 8. Now, here we have to simplify this and this one. We remain with it is x squared over, this is x squared over 3, right? Plus, we have 8x over 3 plus constant c. So, this is the last question about that we have asked. It was to find the integral of line. You really remember, we have done this equation step by step, yes? Where we have just asked, we have given powers. It was the first question, yes? The sub-questions which was containing in our question, it was to find the gradient. After gradient, it was to find the equation of line. Yes, you see, after finding equation of line, it was to find the integral of that equation of line. Yes, so that is a final sub-question, right? So also, if you see this video is most helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, for those who are new. Also, it is better, please, to share this video to your colleagues because of you have many different persons that are just in these videos. People just like mathematics. So now remember, please, to share this content to your colleagues. Yes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is called Benjamin Mathematics. Thank you very much. Now write in the comment what should we do for the next one, and if you see it is difficult, you have please to inform me through my just YouTube channel in the comment box. I will just try to do other different things. Thank you very much.